In this video, we will explore big data testing strategies. We will cover different approaches for testing big data applications, with a special focus on data quality validation. Testing big data presents unique challenges. One of the main challenges is the sheer volume and scale of the data, which often exceeds the capacity of traditional testing tools. Another key challenge is data variety. Big data comes in different forms, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, often sourced from multiple places. Another key challenge in big data testing is velocity, which refers to the speed at which data is generated and processed. Validating rapid data ingestion and real-time processing pipelines require specialized techniques. Finally, maintaining data quality and validation is paramount. It's essential to ensure the accuracy, consistency, completeness, and reliability of big data. Due to the unique challenges of big data, specialized testing approaches are required. Traditional testing methods are often inadequate for handling the scale, variety, and velocity of big data. Here are some of the key testing approaches for big data. They include data validation testing, data quality testing, performance testing, regression testing, and security testing. Data validation testing ensures data correctness across all stages of ingestion and processing. It involves checking schema conformity and data format adherence, validating data transformation and aggregation logic, and detecting missing, duplicate, or corrupt data entries. Security testing is crucial for protecting big data systems. It involves verifying data access control and authentication mechanisms, checking data encryption both at rest and in transit, evaluating the system's compliance with data privacy regulations, and identifying potential vulnerabilities in data pipelines and storage. In summary, effective big data testing strategies are essential for ensuring the quality, security, and performance of big data applications. These strategies address the unique challenges of volume, variety, and velocity. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.